Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm June. It's 2021. Wait, it's Veganuary, and I'm so excited to kick off the year with this Veganuary recipe video. I have 5 easy, delicious, and healthy recipes to share with you, so you can successfully and happily get through 1 month of eating a plant-based diet and hopefully continue it for life. I designed those recipes for new vegans based on 4 rules, or guidelines I should say, which are the following. 1. This is obvious. The recipes have to be incredibly easy, quick, and delicious. 2. No mock meats or mock cheeses. This is because I want you to realize how good and satisfying a true plant-based diet can be. 3. Nutrition. I want to make sure that you're getting vitamin B12, omega-3, and iron without supplements. And fat. Now, why fat? Because when you're just starting out, chances are you'll be hungry all the time until your body starts to adjust to the diet. That's because plant foods simply cannot offer the same amount of calories as meat, eggs, and dairy products do. So I'm adding some healthy fat in those recipes to help boost the calorie counts. 4. Use tofu. I'm not gonna avoid it because you don't like it. You will love it. Alright, enough talking. I have 5 recipes, so let's get right in. So if you're a sweet breakfast type of person, here's chocolate and everything oatmeal. This is super simple yet packed with nutrients. I'm gonna be using oats, chia seeds, which is an excellent source of omega-3, and some granola for some extra fiber. This is optional. And you can add fortified cereals for B12. And I'm gonna cook the oats with soy milk. I've got walnuts for more omega-3. And I've got 100% cacao powder with loads of antioxidants. For the fruit, I've got a banana and blueberries. You can use any fruit you have. And dark chocolate, 70% cacao or up, is recommended for a healthy diet. First, into a bowl, put some of the oats and cacao powder. Pour the soy milk on top and mix. And I'm gonna microwave this for 1 to 2 minutes. In the meantime, I'm gonna slice the banana and roughly chop the dark chocolate. When the oatmeal is done, just simply top with the banana, walnuts, and blueberries. I'm not gonna add any sugar or sweetener because the fruits are sweet, but feel free to add some. An optional granola. Finally, sprinkle the chocolate and chia seeds. This breakfast is full of omega-3 and antioxidants. Now, if you are a savory breakfast type of person, don't worry, I got you. The fluffiest tofu scramble. So here are the ingredients. I've got some firm tofu, not extra firm this time because I want it to be fluffy sort of. Some onion and garlic. You can replace them with powders. And you can have random vegetables of your choice. I've got broccoli, full of protein, spinach, full of iron and protein, mushrooms with some protein, and cherry tomatoes. They're gonna add some colors to the dish, and some scallions for garnish. And to color and spice up the tofu, I have turmeric and paprika. You can also add cayenne pepper if you like. Finally, some chia seeds for omega-3. And nutritional yeast that I forgot for B12. First, you want to press down the tofu on a flat and heavy surface to let all the water out. Get the balance and angle. They say vegans are weird, and this is exactly what they mean. Now while the tofu is doing its thing, I'm gonna dice the onion and prepare the rest of the veggies. See the water coming out? Now break apart the tofu with your fingers. Not so small, not so big. Just imagine scrambled eggs. Oh, I forgot. I can't say that. No mock animals here in this video, right? Get a pan. Extra virgin olive oil. When it's heated, dump the onion. Place it on the side. On the other side, cook the broccoli. Mince some garlic. Flip the broccoli. Add the mushrooms. And I'm gonna sprinkle chili flakes for some heat. Now add the tofu. Spice it up with the spices and mix thoroughly. Finally, add the cherry tomatoes and spinach and cook until the spinach is soft. Generously season with salt and black pepper. Serve on toast. The tofu scramble is done. When you eat, sprinkle some gold, just kidding, it's nutritional yeast, and chia seeds. Done. Tasty and fluffy. Let's move on to lunch, shall we? Tofu steak burger with wasabi sauce. This is so delicious and satisfying. So here are the ingredients. I'm making 4 burgers. First, I've got some extra firm tofu. You'll be eating this thing a lot as a vegan, but trust me, if you cook it right, you will love it. And avocados. Again, I have 2 each because I'm making 4 servings. I've got some lettuce and baby leaf mix. For the sauce, I have vegan mayo and wasabi. If you don't like it, you can use spicy mustard or just skip it. Step 1. Do the weird tofu thing again. Into the flour, add paprika, garlic powder and onion powder, which are optional, salt and black pepper, and mix thoroughly. For the sauce, just mix the vegan mayo and wasabi. Now warning, wasabi is very spicy and it has a kick to it that destroys your nose and makes you burst into tears, so don't add too much. But just a touch of it will make the burger incredibly delicious. Cut the tofu into fairly thick and burger patty-sized pieces, and coat them with the flour mixture. This makes the tofu taste like fried chicken, damn it. I mean, fried chicken tastes like fried chicken all because of the spices, y'all. I'm gonna pan fry the tofu until golden. I like to add fresh rosemary. Flip it over. Now the tofu steak is done. This is smelling so good. Next, cut the onion. And I'm gonna caramelize the onion rings. Look at this beautifully caramelized onion. Then I'm gonna toast the buns. Roughly hand chop some lettuce. Slice some avocado. This is some healthy fat and calories you can eat. And now we have everything. Let's assemble the burgers. These things are so tasty. Recipe number 4. Spinach and walnut pesto pasta. This dish is incredibly healthy. Pesto is traditionally made with basil and pine nuts, but this time I'm using basil and spinach for the iron. And instead of pine nuts, I'm using walnuts, so you're getting enough omega-3. And instead of cheese, I'm using nutritional yeast, so you're getting the B12. I'm gonna use a healthy amount of good quality extra virgin olive oil for the healthy fat. Step 1. You wanna remove the spinach and basil leaves off the stems. Get a pan and toast the walnuts until lightly browned. This is an optional step, but it brings out the walnuts flavor. Put adequate water in the pot and bring it to a boil. Make sure you heavily season the water. It should taste as salty as seawater. Once the water has come to a boil, cook the pasta. I like to use spaghetti or penne. While the pasta is cooking, I'm gonna make the pesto. Into a food processor or blender, put the toasted walnuts and blitz a little. You don't want to completely destroy them. You still want some chunks. Add the spinach and basil. Add some nutritional yeast, just an extra pinch of salt, black pepper, and a healthy amount of extra virgin olive oil. By healthy, I mean a lot. Add 1 clove of raw garlic. Then you want to press everything down a bit. Blitz until smooth. You don't need a high-speed blender for this pesto. If it's too thick, add more olive oil. If you don't want to add more, add some pasta water instead. Now, when everything is combined, the pesto is done. Transfer it to a big bowl. Now what do you do with the residue? Simply just clean the container with the pasta water. Easy, it's better now. When the pasta is al dente, transfer it to the pesto and mix. If the sauce is too thick, just add more pasta water. When cooking pasta, it's always a good idea to preserve the pasta water. The starch in the water is gonna thicken up the sauce. The pasta is done. Let's plate this up. Here you have the healthiest spinach and walnut pesto pasta. This is herby and earthy. Perfect for Veganuary date night. Alright, it's time for the last recipe. If you want to take one step further, you can make this delicious chickpea curry. But before that, if you are enjoying this video, please hit the like. This is my 10th video on this brand new channel. I share easy and tasty vegan recipes 3 times a week, plus various educational content on ethics, the environment, and human issues. So if you're interested, please subscribe to my channel. Chickpea, spinach, and walnut curry. This might take slightly longer, but but not always. I've got cooked chickpeas, full of protein, walnuts again for omega-3, spinach for iron, and red onion. Onion is necessary when cooking curry. Some garlic, and I've got the spices. I have ground turmeric, cumin, and coriander. You can use curry powder instead, or experiment with yellow, red, or green curry paste. I'm gonna use some vegetable broth. Finally, coconut milk. This is gonna make the curry mild and creamy, so it's gonna be close to Thai-style curry. First, dice the onion. This time, I'm making 2 servings. Peel and chop a few cloves of garlic. Get a pot. Extra virgin olive oil. When it's hot, add the red onion to the pan and cook until translucent or nearly caramelized. Then add the garlic and chickpeas. Drop the spices and stir and mix thoroughly. Add the walnuts and mix. Add just enough vegetable broth to almost cover everything. Coconut milk. Stir again. See how creamy it is. Finally, add the spinach and cook until it's soft. If needed, season with some salt. The curry is done. This time, I'm gonna serve it with brown rice. Garnish with some fresh cilantro and chili flakes. There you have 5 super easy, quick and tasty Veganuary recipes. I hope this video has helped. Good luck with your Veganuary challenge and vegan journey. See you next time.